The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Jamaica people, we need to unite and stand against crime and violence within the country of Jamaica. Each and every Jamaicans worldwide, we need to unite and fight against crime and violence within the country of Jamaica. No one should be killing anyone, no matter what, you see me? Even if a gunman kills someone, no one should kill that gunman. Report that gunman to the police and let the police deal with that situation, you understand me? There should be absolutely no killing whatsoever. You see me? And I wanted to share this video to each and every one out there, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, I have a video I'm going to present to you. And this video is going to show a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Jigsy King. In this video, Jigsy King talk about crime and violence within the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to some of the things that Jigsy King said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that Jigsy King said in this video that I'm about to present to you, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
And we are getting blood clot. That tell the people, me sick and tired of this. Listen my good people, me sick and tired of this. Me don't know about some of my DJs. The truth can't set for free. People, listen people. Jigsy King this. Me sick and tired of this. How I go on. See, because you are going down now. When they dry there, we want to know where dry there. You know what hurt me? Because Barbados what they go perform. And tears what run out of me eye. You know why tears run out of me eye? Because when I look and see all the people that live good over Barbados. Seeing a tree killing them off last year. 1, 2, 3. I know, you know why it looks so sad? A Jamaican go over they go killing people them. A girl come from, a girl dead from Olaba. And girl, but she come from town, kill the girl. Cause choose them a fight for one spot for who sell them vagina up on the corner. Our next youth kill us. So a week over Barbados we kill 3 people. 3 people dead. And from the year start, 1 people dead in Barbados. And a brother shoot. What is the singer name? Rihanna, what's the girl name? Fear Family. Rihanna Family. One you shoot, 1 killing them up. One listen what you know. Check Trinidad and check Ireland, Caribbean island. See, they can't. Jamaica, we pass them. We are beat them bad in a crime. Our country so blessed. Our country so blessed. Oh, we have so much killing. Eh? Listen, when the company we are going to fast with the police are what the name? Indicom. Listen to me, Indicom, listen to me good. He said if you know, stop interfere with the police them work. We want to find a billion when not have and burn it down. Leave the police them and the police them do them work. Leave the police them and the police them do them work.
Bad man for dead.
You understand to you?
No rape.
Leave the police them and the police them do them work. Anybody will not agree with me. When listen to me good, you know. Listen good. We need back Jamaica. We need back Jamaica. You understand me? We need back Jamaica. And the only way this can happen people, we have it, people, listen to me good. A Jigsy King is in. We need back Jamaica. We have people in England and Canada and America want to come back home, can invest their money. Or can them come back and invest in a country where we have murder for 140? See there are 28. And we can't, and we have so much murder, almost 150 and murder for 1 month. What kind of deal this? What we really deal with? Tell me where I deal with. Dirty stinking gunman, you all know if he dead. The Walla Uno, we are keep up, we are mash up Jamaica, the Walla Uno if he dead. I mean, no matter what none of one said. No matter what none of uno want said. We need about Jamaica with love and unity. You know, we can't stand them youth. We have money, we have care, we have everything we don't want. And we still are grown and are killed.
You know we are buying gun give people every time too.
Listen to me good. I'm talking about the entertainer part there. Listen to me good, artists. From artist to artist. Yesterday me and Bursa man a reason. See? Me and Bursa a reason. And Bursa Jigsy King. Listen to me good. Me need you to tell them. Listen to me people. Artists. Artists, my brother. It starts with we because our words them are very powerful, you know. See? So me understand say is a living thing, and sometimes we want proof to people say when they can chat the bad lyrics and they can do that gun thing, but we don't need in Jamaica no DJ and singer. We cannot do no gun song right now. We have to leave the gun thing there because the youth them head chip. No more. Well, I don't listen to me good. It's not a joke thing. Make a cool off and no more gun song. No more gun song. You know, and Jamaica need a different direction. Wanna listen to me good? Jamaica need a different direction. I mean, come here some more DJ boy, just a DJ because a DJ. Brethren, we need to stop that thing what we are dealing with, brother. We need to stop the thing, you understand? So, I'm going to hope Popcorn can hear what I say, and I do one of them can hear what I say, and massacre them, and the whole of them. You understand? We're going to need the real people. You know, listen, the real people them can understand we. All of my friends them, all of my friends them from Bounty Killer them and the whole of the hype them. So me and make a stand. We make a stand so we just know say, because artists, we play a big role in this, brother. We play a big role in this, Dan. There are real people are dead, no brother. A family are dead, no brother. Look at you at show, a triple murder again in that Donald Linstead, no brother. Look at you tomorrow. 12 or 13, no brother. A tomorrow man, look at you for go school, you know. Upon the ice and lay down for no brother. Them things are serious, are real people are dead, brother.
Sad.
Oh, can make you go to Linstead market, not a quarter, and sell, oh, what a night. Oh, by the way, all Linstead gets so, when Linstead gets so bad. All Linstead gets so bad. We can't make you go to Linstead market. Oh, if you have triple murder, check much people dead from what there. Don't know Linstead where we come from. Eh? Them dirty stinking gun, nothing gunman, gun boy, because the youth them are killing them a 15-year-old and them mother and them father hide them. Well, mother, listen to me, mother. You say anytime we find out say you hide your son as a gunman, gunman, eh?
Death penalty.
You mother. You, your daughter, and your son involved. Your
brother, your father,
involved in murder. Listen to me now. Listen to me good now. Mother, we hide your son. You know your son a dirty thinking murderer.
Rapist.
And a broke down people place.
We're dead.
It's like a wicked from you.
Judgment.
Get back Jamaica. We know no more killing going to Jamaica. Stop now, no gunman. Dirty thinking gunman. We don't know no man. My friend they want to come, we want to come in California, from Canada, and all over, and everybody afraid. Nobody know want to come back to Jamaica. Why? Because I know that thinking gunman. Who know make people don't want to come back. Everybody say they want to go California, they want to go different place. Who know go where? All of the dirty thinking gunman, and go where and go suck on a woman.
What you mean? Straight.
I mean, no matter about no want to accept. No want to accept. Any one of my DJ friends them don't believe that when I say no go to. All on the DJ boy with starting from me jigsy king, call me DJ boy too. Anybody when I say love and stop the youth from violence, and go him. And all on the police when you're a gunman them to want to protect them too. You know bad just like them, no go to.
Them have gunman friend them.
And all on the politician when act like we don't want to stop, we don't go away. The whole of we are mash up Jamaica, we are don't love Jamaica. Because anyone love Jamaica, we don't never let a crime go through. We don't know how I gunman them, we don't know how do I give problem, I don't kill them. No go away. Go away. And give back Jamaica, we want to nice Jamaica what we know about. We used to walk up and down. And the money make we happy in the youth. What if it's money make we happy? And the money make we happy youth.
One justice.
Jamaica, nice.
Justice one.
Jamaica, one nice place. No go away. And give back with Jamaica.
Suck on the man.
Give back with nice Jamaica.
Dirty gunman.
Give back with nice Jamaica what we know about. The Jamaica with people bad to come out. Maybe a California and people are bad to come to Jamaica. Look what I do to Jamaica.
Justice boy.
Look what I do to Jamaica. We want back Adams. Send back Adams come. Bigger Ford on the come back. Merval on the come back. Go and kill them.
Murder some gun boy.
Move on the bomb class.
Suck on the mother. Now mash up Jamaica.
I who no girl really don't gonna open no leg and do the gunman.
Never get some gunshot.
Keep me saying thing to you, not even, brethren. You don't know it feel? One if you don't know it feel. Feel when you know say your sister and your brother and your nephew them laid up on the ice. Probably the time they gotta take we serious. That take we serious. Listen to me good. Gangster different from gun fool. Big up every gangster. Matter about gangster we protect the community. Matter about gangster we do the thing the right way. Gangster we hold the order. Matter about gangster we do the right blood clotting. Big up on yourself. Me not talk some careless boy. Can you check it out? As some careless boy do be a fuckery. Only if grown and kill woman and picnic. Wanna go away? I'm going to suck on the woman and go away. Wanna go about Jamaica? What about Jamaica? And nobody can tell me that Jamaica can't come back. We can't come back Jamaica. Because no boy no better than no country no great like we Jamaica. No country no great like we. A be a star. Get a youth. Listen to me, get a youth. When you're down, one place they can go up. Don't make nobody tell you you can't make it in a life. Me not like no done, you know. Me not like no done.
Real meds,
every done go suck your mother. Me not like no done. A Jah and God am I done. You hear me say? Just go when all who listen to me, don't go check up upon my profile. I send people go foreign. Me not care if our embassy want here. I send you go foreign and we deal with football. Listen to me good. I talk with tears in my eye. If you start now, brother, and my sister, if you don't know, unless we don't love Jamaica, we don't love Jamaica, brother, better we just run away and done. Better we don't do. Just tell me before we get run away and done. Or a 14 parish of Jamaica, where are we do? Alright, you are doing a 14 parish. If you don't plan to stop then, make we go to a parish for yourself. All who want to keep up them fuckery, I'm not plan for us. Take a parish for yourself now. I don't go and they go keep yourself and don't mix up with we no more. We're sick. We're tired. We can't take no more of this. Make no one hear. Every time we hear the news, somebody dead again. We can't go through no more of this. And we run out of breath now. We can't take no more of this. And the funeral parlor alone has laugh. When my black sister, my black brother, my Jamaican sister, my brother, we love them. Where the love there? We are trying to tell Mr. Jamaica done. That's not trying to tell Mr. Jamaica done. We're not going to love again. That's not Mr. Jamaica. We're not going to love again, Jamaica. Brethren, listen to me good now. We have to start learning to respect the soldier them. Respect the police them. Understand? Respect the nurse, the teacher them and everybody. Respect yourself, respect your mother, respect your father, show love. It's the hard after there. When I grow, I suffer, you know. Me so walk and beg. Me so walk and beg Patty or Linstead. But me never broke down nobody's house. You know why I never broke down nobody's house? Because I tell myself, say, I want to be somebody in a life. One shoes, no clothes. But Jah and God help me. You understand? So nobody feel like you can't be somebody in a life. Don't be nobody give no gun for shoot nobody. Tell them take a gun go shoot. Go do it themselves. Get a youth. Listen to me, you get a youth. Don't get a youth. Don't be nobody go boost and tell about kill nobody. Make him go kill him himself. Please, my beg, no. We can find back of Jamaica. We know we can find back in Jamaica. We know we can find it back. Don't bother listen to them, Jamaica. Please. We can find back the love of Jamaica. See, me love the whole of Uno. Just remember, say me love the whole of Uno. The 14 parish. Every Jamaican will live overseas. We love Uno. We love Uno. We're going to do it and make sure Uno can come back around. Come back here. I'm supposed to meet with the Prime Minister Wednesday. Because I know Andrew like that, you know. And we have to put in a structure where them put fear in our way. So what we have to do, we have to double up like fear in them. If I saw be a case. If I saw we're gonna talk to them if they can't hear it, after I broke them neck. They'll start hang them if they can't hear with them. Alright, hang them 3 times a day. Early in the morning, before you go to work, 200 we hang. And then lunchtime, 200 hang. And then in the evening, we hang another 200 until you understand, say, who want about Jamaica? We start, hang on! If you can't hear, so never stop a murder. And love no black brother, love no black sister. Make the tourists then come to Jamaica and happy and glad to come here and want to come back. That's my auntie and my granny. Because every woman out there, you know, me not know them and my auntie them, you know. And my granny them out there, you know. Every Jamaican, you know. One of we are family, you know, brother. Oh, when match keep. We go stay and we go celebrate. When Jamaica school go, we get up and hug up each other. Or when you send Bolt too nice. Or when you send Bolt to run, we group up a halfway tree and group up a man take up beer. And when you send Bolt, I broke your record them, we hug up each other. And when that done, you come back away and can kill people. That means we are some fake virgin. More Usain Bolt still there. Think Usain Bolt alone. We still have more Usain Bolt. So stop killing Africa youth them. And stop no slackness. Jamaica, me love on a jigsy king this. Me love you. You know what is some DJ boy free for talk? No, you know why some DJ boy free for talk? Eh? Because them buy gunman them. No gunman can't say me ever buy them a gun. No gunman. No boy can't say jigsy king buy them no bullet. No boy can't do that. Tell some DJ where we wanna make bag of nice for. Ask them if you come contact say never buy no gun. Them can't come and contact to one people. How why? Them a buy gunman them. Me never buy a gun gear boy. Me buy these football boot and clocks and ballet and car give me friend them and buy food give them. Come here so suffer. Jamaica, me love you now. Yeah, Jamaica, jigsy king this. Me love you now. See? Give me the weed, cool ganja weed. Me love you now, Jamaica. Listen to me, Jamaica. Listen to me, Jamaica. Listen to Jamaica. Well, the place gets so dirty, all the place gets so dirty. All the little juvenile, them get so monkey. Place gets so dirty, all the place gets so dirty. And so them plan for live, them naga past 30. This can't be a blessing, this have to be a curse. Tell the pastor them we need more prayer from the church. The youth them nowadays have a devil, them a serve. We can't afford to make that thing a take over the turf. And a fan will come from A and your son and birth. Come on, Jamaica, make we get rid of the germs. No freaky boys and no freaky girls. No devil boy and no devil girl. Well, the rapper boy me want put in the earth, and a child molester them skin a go burn. A rich fool that talk about a devil run the world. Hey boy, you want a lightning ball in your nerve. Police and gunman a shot people like a bird. Look at them, they respect the 4-letter word. Me big up the street, but me burn out the curve. The way that you know bad man a go no more verse. Long time me a want about the damn pink shirt. They never want hear a no thing get worse. One go check the Bible, one go read the verse. No boy to no boy, and no girl to no girl. Remember for nothing for you the fire a go burn. We and this damn politics now a go work. No more labor right now, PNP no stand firm. Even about Selassie, I mean, I fear another. Oh, the place gets so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the little juvenile, them get so mucky. Place gets so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. That's how them plan for living, no, them not go past 30. So look good, they see them run day again. Tattoo never country, but then them move like them a spend. Me tell the Jamaica in a serious problem. Cause the school ask them, we can't talk to them. You know, see a big woman and big man, them. Them a say no teacher can't beat them. Me no know how mislead them. Some say 10 million to the devil upon them. But me come for not all the dirty one them. Cause them only love only the dirty sang them. And you to attend bus gonna be bigger than them. The 14 person lock up all the damn them. So you know lock up the politician them. And them get the gun to the gunman them. You know see where paradise it a mass down. Cause corruption them a run down. Them a big up cocaine and dirty white rum. The best on them a west. Them a bunny down. The little school girls them stop board them tongue. Good morning, good evening. Them the days done. 1966 remember I had the king come. You don't understand, I still see I come. That means no slackness of a one jam down. Say the cable and roll fire every. Oh, the place gets so dirty, oh, the place gets so dirty. Oh, the little juvenile. Jamaica, I love you. Jamaica people, them, I love you, love the bad jigsy king, I love you. Big up. It's the last guy.
Yeah, man, and for real, yo. Good people within the country of Jamaica, we need to unite and fight against the crime and violence within the country of Jamaica. You see me? For real, man, you see me? I don't believe in the eye for an eye thing, you know. And I don't believe in the render evil for evil thing, you know. Because if everyone should be doing something like that, it's going to be a never-ending thing. You see me, I said to you? So, point blank, me, I said, there should be no killing whatsoever. None, no matter what. You understand? The people within the country of Jamaica, and as for Jamaicans worldwide, let's unite and fight against crime and violence within the country of Jamaica. You understand? No farmer crime. For real, man. For real. You see? I know so crime and violence happen worldwide, you know, but right now, I just Jamaica. Me I talk about in this video. You understand? For real. Alright, so let me know what you think about some of the things that Jigsy King said in the video that I just presented to you. See me? Yeah, let me know if you disagree or if you disagree with some of the things that he said. You understand me? Yeah. And I agree with most of the things that Jigsy King said. You understand? And I think that Jigsy King is trying to make a very positive point. You understand? Yes, it's like he's trying to make it be very clear that he's tired of hearing about killings within the country of Jamaica. You understand? And I don't disagree with that point. You understand? But don't render evil for evil. Don't kill someone because someone kills someone. No. Report the person to the police. Let the police deal with that situation. Yeah, because I don't think that really and truly helped the situation. You see me? Absolutely no violence. No matter what. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here, so you know, big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.